All right, everybody, welcome to the wood shop. So today I'm going to be making a mallet. Wood Carvers mallet, just a mallet. I use this mallet to knock in different things. Very handy little tool. And so I'm going to make a little bit smaller version today with this log here, piece of oak. And so I'm going to round it out first, and then I'll bring you back. We do some shaping. All right, well, there you have it. Sorry I missed some footage. Something had a camera malfunction, but basically all I did was I finished up with this, and I just scooped the end down a little bit and then broke that off and then just rounded that out. And this is dogwood. And for those of you who don't know, dogwood does not get very large, so this is a pretty large piece of dogwood that I was able to save. And so there's that one. Of course, this one's oak. A little bit taller version of that one, but a little bit thinner at the same time. So I thought if I made it a little thinner, I'd make it a little taller. Fits my hand pretty well. And this thing is just super useful around the shop, especially around the wood shop when you're knocking wood in. It's nice to be hitting with wood instead of a hammer and that sort of thing. So it's just maybe more of a woodworker's type tool, I guess. But anyway, that's it, and that's my wood mallet, and that's my old one, and maybe I'll give that one away, so we'll see. And so that's about it from here. So thanks for stopping by the wood shop. Take it easy.